Epithelial tissue covers the entire surface of the body. On the base of number of layers, the epithelial tissue is broadly classified into simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium has single layer of cells, while compound epithelium has more than one layer of cells. On the basis of the structural modification of cells, simple epithelium are further classified into 5 types: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated columnar epithelium, and pseudostratified epithelium. Squamous epithelium tissue is composed of single layer of flattened cells resting on the basement membrane with a disc-shaped central nucleus and sparse cytoplasm. It is the simplest of the epithelia and allows diffusion and filtration of substances across the squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium is located at the inner lining of blood vessels, alveoli in lungs, and Bowman's capsule in kidney. Cuboidal epithelium is composed of single layer of cube-shaped cells resting on the basement membrane with large central nucleus. Cuboidal epithelium facilitates secretion and absorption. Therefore, it is commonly found in the ducts of glands, tubular parts of nephrons, and surface of ovary. Columnar epithelium is composed of a single layer of tall and slender cells. Resting on basement membrane with spherical nucleus at the base of each cell. Free surface of the columnar cells may have microvilli. Columnar epithelium helps in secretion and absorption. Thus, these tissues are found in inner lining of stomach and intestine. The columnar and cuboidal epithelium, if bear cilia on their free surface, they are known as ciliated epithelium. Cilia are thread-like protoplasmic projections that help in the movement of particles or substance in a specific direction over the epithelium. Ciliated epithelium is located at the inner lining of the bronchiole and oviducts. Pseudostratified epithelium comprises of a single layer of columnar cells. Still, it appears two-layered due to difference in cell heights and placement of their nuclei at different levels. They are located in the inner lining of urinary tract, trachea, and olfactory mucosa. This pseudostratified epithelium secretes mucus, and their cilia facilitate expulsion of foreign particles in outward direction. The different types of simple epithelium tissues have single layer of cells, thus does not offer protection but act as secretory and absorptive surfaces.